Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to invest $100 in 2020. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jonathan Littlejohn and we focus on making money, saving money, and building passive income online. If you like this type of information, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and continue on the video. The first choice that I want to talk about to invest $100 is investing in books, because books are the highest return that you can get. And what I mean by that is when you read books, you're self-educating yourself. Books have so much information that you can put into action in the real world, from other people's experience, certain strategies, all kinds of good stuff you can get from books. And a guy once told me, formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. So the first thing I would like to tell you to invest in, if you had $100, is invest in your knowledge. Upscale your knowledge, level up with your knowledge, get more information, because we're not in the industrial age, we're in the information age. So level up with your education and specialized information. So if you're trying to improve your financial freedom, independence, whatever you want to call it, you want to be free, you don't want to have to be controlled or told what to do in your career, you run your life. These are a couple books that I recommend for you to read. The first one that I recommend is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's very good. He has interviewed 500 of the top successful, wealthy people in our time, and he's interviewed them, and he's got certain different characteristics, traits, strategies in this book to get you to where you need to go. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Think and Grow Rich book. All these books will be in the description below. Just check it out. The next one is the 4-Hour Work Week. And it might be crazy, but there's some people out there, they're only putting 4 hours worth of work and getting paid a whole lot of money. So Tim Ferriss has a book called the 4-Hour Work Week. It's really good. Check it out. The next book I would recommend is How to Create Wealth and Passive Income Through Buying and Holding Real Estate. It is a very good book if you're trying to grow, one, in real estate, and two, if you're trying to get passive income. Because remember, you're not going to become rich until you're able to figure out how to make money while you're sleeping. You're not going to be, let me repeat it, you're not going to become rich until you figure out how to make money while you're sleeping. It doesn't matter if someone's paying you $100 an hour, $200 an hour, $300 an hour, and you go to work and they pay you. Next thing you know, you get sick or something happens to you and you can't go to work, so you're not able to get paid. But if you can figure out how to get paid while you're not physically doing work, that's when you'll become rich and wealthy. So always try to figure out how can I make more money? How can I grow my income and not have to do a lot of work? And that goes back to the last book, the 4-Hour Work Week. These people are figuring out how to make more money in less time. And logically, we think that we have to make more money. We can make more money in more time. In reality, we're able to make more money in less time. The next one I would like to say to invest in is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It's a very good book. It's a way how you talk to people, how to get people to become on your team, to grow an organization, and it's very good stuff. The next one that I would like to talk about is The Millionaire Next Door. And The Millionaire Next Door is basically, you can't really tell who's a millionaire. A lot of people say you can't judge a book by its cover, but everyone does. I was always taught the person that was the loudest person in the room is usually the weakest person. So if you judge someone with the fancy clothes and the fancy cars, a lot of times they're not the ones that are rich. The ones that I've met that are rich are the ones that don't drive the fancy cars, and they have really nice houses, but they wear regular clothes like me and you. You know what I mean? So you can't judge a book by its cover, and that's what that Millionaire Next Door talks about, how there was a guy next door to a millionaire and he didn't even know he was a millionaire. So it's a really good book. Check it out. The second way that I would invest $100 if I had $100 to invest is trading stocks. The stock market is so good. It's so the compound interest. You don't have to once you put your money in, you don't have to do much work with it. You just got to pick a good stock, let it sit, and it will grow. I think, to be honest, it's past real estate. I've been in the real estate business a long time. It's terrible when you have to get a phone call late at night, roofs leaking, toilets running. But in the stock market, there's no roofs leaking, there's no toilet running, and you're able to continually make money. Another thing in the real estate, say, for example, you want to get that $100 back. Say you had a piece of real estate and you wanted to get your money back. You got to put it for sale. A lot of times it takes a while for it to sell, unless it's a really good deal. And a lot of those good deals, you're losing money because you're trying to get rid of it so quick. But with the stock market, you're able to sell like today. You know what I mean? You put money in, you're able to get it back today, tomorrow, or wire it to you straight to your bank account. There's no problems. They call that liquid cash. You're able to get it right now. So that's why I would, if I had the chance to get the $100, and if I was someone that wanted to invest $100, I would invest it in the stock market, trading stock. And we have a link below. It's a great company called Robinhood and M1 Finance. If you want to put money from your checks, or if you want to just contribute money to the stock market, these are great companies that you can put money into, and then you can pick the stocks from there. A lot of people ask me, how do you get it started in stock trading, investing, and stuff like that? Go on Robinhood.com or M1 Financing, and you're able to put your month check, weekly, bi-weekly, whatever, you could set it up how much you want, and it will take it right out of your account and put it into the stock that you want to buy. So that's what I would do if I had $100 to invest. The next thing, if I had $100 to invest, is flipping items. And what I mean by flipping items, there's on Craigslist, you can buy things for really cheap, and you can put it on eBay, you can put it on Amazon, you can put it on Facebook Marketplace, and you're able to, say you buy it for $20 and you can sell it for $40. And to, not a lot of people know this, but on Craigslist, if you go to the for sale spot and then you click the for sale items, there's actually a section called free section. And a lot of times, a lot of people, they just want to get rid of the stuff. It's free. You just come pick it up. I know people, they come pick it up. Next thing you know, they sell it on the Facebook Marketplace, eBay, for whatever. And that's pure profit right there. But if I had $100, I would go on there, buy certain things for low value, and sell it for higher amounts of money. The next thing, if I had $100, is I would invest that money into affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically, you have someone that has a product, and this person will pay someone else to sell the particular product. So say, for example, we go, a lot of affiliate marketers, what they do is they are Amazon affiliates. They say they get this little ankle band, okay? They'll go on Amazon, they sign up for it, they get this ankle band. Next thing you know, they promote it on Facebook, get this ankle band at a certain price, okay? Someone else clicks the link, and then when they click the link, they get directed to the Amazon page. when they purchase that this ankle wrap, okay, for the $19.95 or whatever it is, Amazon will pay the person who had the link, okay? So that link is tracking who's buying and also who's promoting that link. So that's a great way to make money online, is through affiliate marketing. You're not buying, and the great thing about it is you're not buying any products. You're just promoting other people's products and getting a percentage from the sale. So it's not like someone's paying you directly that's buying this ankle wrap. What it is the person who manufactured this, Amazon or whoever, is paying you a percentage. So all kinds of companies, we're talking about Walmart, Amazon. If you want to learn more about this will be in the description. We have a free training class about affiliate marketing. I make most of my earnings online from affiliate marketing, and I have a free training class of how to get $100 next month in affiliate marketing. So if you want more information, go in the description box and you can get to the free training. There it is. How to invest $100 in 2020. If you like this type of information, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Have a great day.